Doon sila sa malayo. Dapat 10 milya palagi eh. Doon sila sa 10 milya. Ay, pag dito palagi sa kon, paano naman yung maliliit? Ang dami, apektado na.
The ocean. Covering over 70% of our planet is teeming with life that provides livelihood for millions of people. However, it faces numerous challenges, particularly in balancing the needs of small-scale fishermen and commercial fishing operators. In recent years, the decision to allow commercial fishing vessels within the 15 kilometers municipal waters has sparked intense debate. Fisherfolk groups and government agencies such as Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources of the Department of Agriculture has expressed concerns about its impacts on the livelihood of small-scale fishermen. Commercial fishing in municipal waters could lead to depletion of fish stocks and the destruction of local ecosystem. In this documentary, we will explore the implications of these issues. We will listen to the voices of fishermen and examine the challenges and solutions to preserve our marine resources together.
Sila'y mangisda diyan sa gilid. Kailangan din naman kami ay nakapangisda din. Ay paano kung sila lang ang makakapaghanap buhay diyan. Kaming maliliit na may palakaya ay wala nang mahuli. Hindi na kami dahil nahuhuli na nila eh. Sila nang nasa laot, nangaharang na nila. Ay itong nasa gilid lang, wala nang tatabing isda.
Ay hindi pwede panggilid dahil kami, panggilid lang din kami. Nila amin, mga kante, kalapira. Ay pero pag magilid, marami. Kaya ang Pangulong sa laot talaga yan eh.
Paano naman kami mangingisda na maliliit na katulan dyan laang sa talbukan ng Angawil? Di kami may hirapan, saan kami kukuha ng pagkain? Di sana, maawa naman sila sa amin. Sila naman, pwede naman siguro sila sa laot. Doon na lang sila. Huwag na silang gumili. Yun lang ang aking sa kanila.
Sa amin ay okay lang kung sa malaot. Kasi pag nasa gilid, hindi na kami makatrakan ng pamumuhay kasi nabubulabog na ng mga pangulong o malalaking panghuli ng isda. Eh kami maliliit na mga mangingisda lamang. Siyempre, ano namin ang gilid. Hanggang dyan lang kami, hindi kami makalaot kasi maliliit ang aming kalakaya.
As we conclude our documentary, let's remember the importance of proper management of our marine resources. The issues of commercial fishing in municipal water requires a balanced solution that considers the welfare of small-scale fishermen and the condition of the ecosystem. To avoid commotion and ensure the sustainable use of marine resources, it is essential to have effective management, alternative livelihoods, community collaboration, and education about conservation. In this way, we can achieve a better future for our ocean and the communities that rely on them. As young individuals, it is crucial that we remain cognizant of contemporary issues that affecting our society. It is imperative that we develop a sense of responsibility and concern, particularly towards the preservation of our marine environments and the well-being of those who rely on them, such as our fishermen. The youth must serve as advocates for truth and reality, articulating the current challenges in order to contribute to the formulation of sustainable solutions. By doing so, we pave the way for a more secure and prosperous future for the generations that will follow.